Welcome to AIM Successful Talkers. Hello students, how are you? Yesterday I have taught you the noun explanations with the examples, and I had even informed about the parts of noun or kinds of noun. Okay, I have explained you what is material noun, collective noun, proper noun, common noun, abstract noun. Today I am going to teach you regarding singular and plural. What do you mean by singular? Singular means one and plural means more than one. Okay, as an example, I say boy. Only one boy is there. Yeah? More than one means boys. More than two, it will be a boys. If here one tree is there, here 2 3. So what do you mean by here tree and more than 2 3 means we will add s. Singular means any noun that is only one person, place, animal or thing. Plural means any noun will be more than one. Okay, that is known as singular and plural. Now in this there are formations of rules. There are formations of these plurals. So first one is, first we have to add s only. As in previous example I explained, desk, desk, table, tables. Means it is singular word, only one is there and here more than one. So we add s only. Now the same way, the second form is the add es to the singular word. Here for example, church. So I will write the word church, then I will add this es at the end of the word. Churches. Bench, benches. Glass, glasses. Okay, in this form, at the end, the word will be ch, sh, then ss, x. These all the words which end with the singular word. These all the words ch, sh, ss or s. We will add es. Okay, see here ch. Last word ch is there, we add es. Glasses, double s is there, we add ss. Fox, ox is there, means foxes, we add es. Okay, do you understand these words? Now the third one. Third form is in f or ef. The word ends with f or ef, we add ies or es. Okay, es only we will add, not ies. If it is calf, so only we can add es only. What we will do? We will add ves. Calves. Just I want to see that if I have written here es, so will you understand that f or fv, any word will be adding or not? So we add a vs. So calf, calf, calves. Then we add knife. Here f word is there, here f is there. Then also we will cancel that f, e, and we will add here ves. Understood students? This simple form, first one to add s, second one to add es, and third one to add f or fe. Now the fourth one. Fourth form is there where we have the word is there with the Y, we have to add IES. We have to cancel that Y and we will add IES. For example, cry. We will cut Y and we will write IES. Baby. We will cut Y, babies. Okay, like this we will write the words. For singular, if Y is there at the end of the said word, we will cancel that Y and add IES. Okay, understood this one? So we have learned about to add S, to add ES, to add VES, to add IES. Okay, when we will adding S, only one things are there. For example, book, books. Here we will write ox, oxes. Sorry, box, boxes. Here wolf, wolves. Here pony, we will write ponies. Okay, but this all we are adding S, ES, ES, IES like this. But in some word, the word will be remaining the same only. As if suppose sheep. In plural also we will write sheep. Deer, we will write deer. Some of the irregular verbs are also there. Irregular verbs. Irregular verbs is also there. For an example, child. Child we are saying only for one. But for plural, what we will add? Children. Ox, oxen. Okay. Then we will write tooth, teeth, feet, foot. These all the irregular words are there. Okay. So these all the form in the singular and plural forms I have explained you. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and you can see the another video. You can see the another video also, and if you need the worksheet as in previous in the noun I had said that if you need any worksheets regarding any chapter, you can message me or call me in 9081487727, or you can mail me in my mail ID vinijayjoshi21@gmail.com. Okay.